Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechArts. So today I will show you how to add text in your TikTok video and also set your text time duration in your content. And this method almost works for all Android and iOS platforms because this application feature is common for all devices. So if you like to know this trick, just follow me friends. So let's go to our tutorial. So first of all, start to record your TikTok video by simply press that red color video icon. So once your recording time is finished, now in this section in bottom it shows some features, but you can press text icon and the third one and it shows one text column. So here you can write anything about your video. So if you want to change this text style, just select these following options: classical, typewriter and handwriting. So you can choose your favorite one. And if you want to add any colors within this text, also press these color icons by one. And this icon will help you for alignment of your text from left side to right side or right side to left side, or you can use middle text. And this is the use of this icon. And also highlight this text by using same text color. So how to do it? By simply press this A icon and the text icon. So it has more dark and light dark and no highlights. And this is for your choice. So next, how to set this text time duration? So just close this keyboard and then press your text. So it shows edit and set duration options. So you can select set duration. And the total length of this text sticker time is 15.0 seconds. So if you want to adjust this duration, just move this slide bar from back to front or front to back. And this is also your choice. So once you set this duration, finally press that right simple arrow mark and it is placed at the bottom. And one more time you can check your text if any spelling mistakes available or not. So once you check it and then press next option. So in this section you can write anything about this video, and finally you can click to post this video on your TikTok timeline. So this is the way you can easily add text feature on your TikTok video. For more tech videos you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel TechArts, and thanks for watching.